Today we're taking a look at the Red Rock TC2 drop step running boards with a textured black finish designed for the 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator JT. These running boards combine rugged styling with a practical functionality, offering a convenient step for easier vehicle access while enhancing that Gladiator's off-road appearance. The Red Rock TC2 drop step running boards feature this nice angular drop step design, providing lower stepping points that facilitates easier entry and exit, especially beneficial for lifted Gladiators. This design not only improves accessibility, but it also gives you a bold, aggressive look that complements the Gladiator's rugged aesthetic. Beyond their primary function as steps, these running boards are going to offer a little bit of protection for the vehicle's sides, and they act as a barrier against road debris, rocks, and other potential hazards that you're going to encounter during those off-road adventures or daily driving. That's going to help preserve the integrity of the Gladiator's body panels, making sure you don't get extra dings and scuffs that aren't necessary. This nice black textured powder coat finish on the running boards not only enhances their visual appeal, but it also provides a non-slip surface, making sure you have secure footing in all weather conditions. This combination of style and practicality makes the Red Rock TC2 drop step running boards a valuable addition for Gladiator owners seeking form and function. Constructed from very heavy-duty steel, these drop step running boards are built to withstand the rigors of off-road use, harsh weather conditions, and daily stepping for your daily driver. The steel is treated with an epoxy pre-coating followed by a durable black powder coat finish, providing a two-stage finish that ensures long-lasting corrosion resistance for a slick appearance that's not going to fade or rust or corrode over time. This robust construction makes sure these running boards maintain their integrity and appearance over time, even under demanding conditions. As far as pricing goes, these are coming in right around that low to mid $300 price range, and that is a solid value that offers a combination of enhanced accessibility, added protection, and some aesthetic appeal to add to your Gladiator. Installation on these is going to be straightforward, so it's getting rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in about 2 hours of your time. The running boards are designed for a direct bolt-on to your factory mounting points, utilizing the points that are already on your vehicle. Now let's head on out to the shop, and they're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
Tools required for this install include a ratchet, 10 and 17 millimeter wrenches, 13 millimeter ratcheting wrench, 10, 13, and 16 millimeter sockets. What's up guys? Today we're installing side steps on our Gladiator, so let's get started. So the first thing I've done is laid out all of my brackets and hardware. Now each of our brackets is stamped with DF, DC, or DR for driver front, center, and rear. You'll have the same thing on the passenger side with PF, PC, and PR. Now our brackets are slightly different, but they all install the exact same way. So we're gonna work on the front here and get that mounted up. Now we're at the front on the driver's side here. I'm gonna take my 13 millimeter bolt with a lock washer and flat washer and go up into the threaded hole on our underbody. Thread this in pretty much until it bottoms out, just to hold everything. Now we still have maneuverability, but it's holding it well. And then I'm going to slide in my pinch weld bracket, take your 10 millimeter bolt and flat washer through the pinch weld, and then another flat washer and a nut on the other side. Do that same thing on the other hole. And then we're going to connect our two brackets together using our 16 mil bolt and a flat washer. And then on the other side, another flat washer and a nut. And then I'm just going to straighten out this bracket. I'm going to tighten down that 13 mil bolt first with a 13 mil socket. And then I'm going to switch to a 10 millimeter socket and wrench for our pinch weld bracket. And then finally, 16 millimeter socket and 17 millimeter wrench on that connecting bolt. And repeat that same process for the other two brackets. So now we're gonna lift our side step up onto our brackets. On each of our bracket, we're gonna have 2 combo bolts going through the bracket and into the riv nut on the back of our side step. So now just take your combo bolts and thread those into the riv nuts. And then grab your 13 millimeter ratcheting wrench and tighten those down. Then repeat that same process for your other 2 brackets, and then you can repeat the whole process on the other side.
All right, that's going to wrap up our review and install of the Red Rock TC2 drop step running boards with black textured finish for the 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator JT. And for all things Gladiator, keep it right here at Extreme Terrain.